Yo Bodgers, we're back. It's been a couple of weeks since I've been to Mini, but we're going to get this thing back on. Obviously I've got some welding to do, and we're going to try and get it to run again today and see if we can get it to roll forward. So yeah, get ready for that. Also, as I'm seeming to be infinitely cursed, that's happened. The mirror, this has fell over. I had it balancing, and yeah, it's fell over when I've not been here, and it smashed the mirror. Lovely. I mean, luckily they were fake ones anyway, so we'll just have to get some real bullet mirrors. But yeah, how annoying. Cursed, man. Alright, after a bunch of bodging, bodging, we finally got the other door back on. Way. Shut lines actually. I mean, they're tight, but it does shut with a bit of a slam. Cannot complain. I had a big problem with the hinge at the bottom. The screws all snapped off. It happened in the past, so I've had to sort of fit it and then weld it very badly on the inside edge here. I'm going to neaten it all up eventually, but yeah, so I've had to weld the hinge to the door, and luckily I got it roughly in the right position. Top hinge was alright. Other than that, I've got to wind it up with a wrench, but it does go all the way up and it goes all the way down. Missing the trim, obviously. There's a proof it does work with a bit of a slam. Missing the trim now with a bit of rubber, so once I get that in, it'll hopefully hold the window and stop it rattling so much. But yeah, this is going to look a lot more complete now. So I'm going to get the other window back in and get the front end back on, and we'll yeah, I don't know, we'll do something else. Silly Bodger. Here's a problem I've been having for quite a while. I've been trying to get this other window in, the passenger side rear window. Bought the seal and everything, yeah, to whack it in, and it will not go in. And I've just realised it just clicked. Obviously the other one looks slightly different. I thought maybe it's just an older design. This is for a window that it doesn't open. So yeah, that's the problem. So these little, let's see if I can hold it all in place. These little brackets that normally would sort of feed around the side of here, and then they sort of pop rivet in here. They will not squish, not very well anyway. They won't squish around this. Might be able to make this work maybe, but yeah, that's the problem all along. Well, you can't really see on this side, but the frame actually fits in because of the seal's basically on the inside edge. I mean, this one's a bit old and rotten anyway, but yeah, because it's on the inside edge and not sort of trying to force it out. That's the reason why I can't get my glass in. I don't know what I'm going to do. I guess I'm going to have to order a different piece, but that's super annoying because I wanted to get this whole thing in with the glass, and then, you know, it would have looked awesome. Super annoying. I might give a bit more bodgery, but chances are I'm going to be giving in and buying another seal. So yeah, lesson learned. There we go, further confirmed. I finally managed to root out what was left of the old window thing, and yeah, look, it actually fits in with this in. But obviously I've only got like 3/4 of it, so there's a big old hole here at the moment. How annoying. So yeah, I have to order the right one, and then that will obviously push in nice and neat. Frustrating, but you know, it is what it is. Right, I'm going to do the doors, glasses up all around, and then we're going to have a look at maybe seeing if this thing will move again. Here it is, and it's glory then. I can't remember if I even pointed out we've done the rear valance as well. Obviously no bumper, and that needs a bit more work yet, but still. Just need a number plate on it now.